Hi, I am Mr. Class, and welcome to Mr. Class, where we break down complex topics into simple, easy to understand lessons. Today, we're diving into the world of meditation, a practice that's been around for a long time, even before I was born. Imagine that! Haha! Seriously though, meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, and today it is still one of the most powerful tools for improving our mental and physical health. So, whether you're new to meditation or you've tried it before, stick around as we cover everything you need to know to understand and practice meditation for yourself. Meditation. What is it exactly? It's often seen as a mysterious or spiritual activity, but at its core, meditation is simply the practice of focusing your mind in a way that helps you achieve mental clarity, relaxation, and inner peace. It's like a workout for your brain. But why should you meditate? Well, the benefits are incredible. Meditation is scientifically proven to improve your life in multiple ways. It's not just about finding a moment of calm. It's about transforming how you respond to life's challenges. And let's face it, nowadays we all face so many challenges in our daily lives, so it's comforting to know that meditation can help. Now, let's dive into some of the key benefits of meditation. Benefit number 1. First of all, meditation can help reduce stress. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by work, school, or life in general, meditation helps you manage stress by calming your mind and reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. A calmer mind leads to a more balanced life, and balance is good. Benefit number 2. Second, meditation improves your focus and concentration. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for focus and decision making. This means meditation can help you stay more focused and productive throughout your day. Benefit number 3. Meditation also enhances emotional well-being. It can help you gain more control over your emotions, improve your mood, and even reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By learning to focus your attention, you develop a deeper understanding of your emotions and how to respond to them in a healthy way. Benefit number 4. Also tied to emotions, the fourth benefit is self-awareness. Through mindfulness and reflection, you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your thoughts, behaviors, and reactions. This increased self-awareness can lead to better decision-making, healthier relationships, and a greater sense of self-acceptance. Benefit number 5. Additionally, meditation can have a positive impact on your physical health. Regular practice has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and even boost your immune system. It helps lower stress, which in turn benefits your body's overall well-being. Benefit number 6. Finally, meditation increases your resilience. Life throws challenges at us, but meditation helps you cultivate the mental strength to face them with a calm and balanced mind. It trains you to respond rather than react to stressful situations. So now that we know my meditation is so important, let's talk about how to do it. Here are 4 steps to guide you. Step 1. Find a quiet space. The first step in meditation is finding a quiet space. It doesn't have to be a fancy room or a temple, just somewhere you won't be easily disturbed. A calm environment helps you focus your mind. Step 2. Sit comfortably. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or on a cushion, or simply sit straight in a chair. The key is to keep your back straight to avoid discomfort. You want to be relaxed, but also alert. Step 3. Focus on your breathing. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Focus all your attention on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. It is also recommended to breathe primarily through your stomach, which is diaphragmatic breathing, as it helps ease stress and anxiety. Remember, breathing is a foundation of meditation. Use your breath as an anchor to center your mind. Step 4. Clear your mind. As you continue breathing, you might notice that thoughts start to pop up. Well, don't worry. It's natural. It happens to me all the time too. Haha. The goal is not to stop thoughts entirely, but to simply observe them without getting caught up in them. If a thought arises, gently acknowledge it and then bring your focus back to your breath. Okay, now that we've got the basics down, let's talk about different types of meditation. There are many types, and each one offers different benefits. Let's look at 3 of the most popular forms. Type 1. Mindfulness meditation. This is the most common form of meditation. It involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment without trying to change or fix anything. This helps develop a deeper sense of awareness and acceptance. Mindfulness can be practiced anywhere, during a walk, while eating, or even in the middle of your workday. Just focus on what you're doing in the moment, whether it's breathing or noticing the world around you. Type 2. Guided meditation. In guided meditation, you're led by a teacher or recording. This can be helpful for beginners because it gives you structure. A guide may take you through a visualization where you imagine peaceful scenes or give you specific instructions on focusing your attention. It's great for those who want more direction. You can find guided meditation apps or videos online, making it super easy to get started. I personally recommend 2 mobile apps, Calm and Headspace. Both are very good, and they offer free trials if you want to give them a try. Type 3. Loving kindness meditation, also called metta. This meditation is about cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and kindness, first for yourself, then for others. It's done by silently repeating phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I live with ease." You then expand these wishes to others, loved ones, acquaintances, and even people you may have difficulty with. It's a beautiful practice for cultivating empathy. How much time should you meditate? Now that you have a general understanding of the types of meditation, let's talk about how long you should meditate. If you're just starting out, don't worry about making it a long session. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Set a timer so you don't have to worry about checking the clock. Focus only on your breath, your thoughts, or the guided instructions. Over time, you'll notice that even short sessions can have a big impact on your mood and stress levels. In conclusion, remember that meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to develop. The goal isn't to clear your mind completely, because that's almost impossible. The goal is to become more aware of your thoughts, manage stress better, and live more mindfully. Meditation isn't about achieving perfection. It's about progress. Start small, be patient with yourself, and over time, you'll notice positive changes in your life. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you feel ready to start your meditation journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple lessons on all kinds of topics. Let me know in the comments how your meditation practice is going. Remember, calm is just a few breaths away.